Hello there, it's Alexandra from Peruvian Cook, and today we're making a mouth-watering pot roast. We started by seasoning the roast with a blend of salt, pepper, and cumin. It's essential to ensure the roast is at room temperature for even cooking. For my 3.5 pound roast, I use about 1.5 tablespoons of salt, pepper to taste, and half a tablespoon of cumin. Next, we'll need some flour to coat our roast. Just sprinkle it generously all over the roast to give it a nice sear in the pot. Easy peasy, right? So let's get cooking. Now it's time to give our roast a flavorful sear. In a hot pot over medium-high heat, add some oil and let it heat up for a few minutes until it's nice and hot. Then carefully add your roast to the pot. We want to sear it for about 5 minutes on each side or until it develops a beautiful golden brown color. This step is crucial as it helps lock in the juices and creates that delicious caramelized crust on the outside of the roast. Make sure to flip the roast halfway through to ensure even browning. Once both sides are nicely seared, remove the roast from the pot and set it aside for now. Now let's prepare our aromatics. Grab a yellow onion and slice it into thick slices. We will also need 4 garlic cloves, thinly sliced. In the same pot where we sear our roast, add the sliced onions and let them cook over medium heat for about 5 minutes, stirring constantly. Then add the garlic slices and cook for another 3 minutes until fragrant. While the onions and garlic finish cooking, let's prepare our herb bouquet. Grab a couple of bay leaves, some fresh thyme, and a sprig of fresh rosemary. Bundle them together and tie them tightly with cooking twine, creating a herb bouquet that will infuse our dish with aromatic flavors. Once the onions and garlic are cooked to perfection, it's time to add a boost of flavor. Pour in about 2 cups of beef stock, followed by half cup of dry red wine and a tablespoon of Dijon mustard. Give everything a good mix, then add the herb bouquet we prepared earlier. Now return the seared beef roast back to the pot, ensuring it's surrounded by the flavorful liquid. Place the pot in a preheated oven set to 300 Fahrenheit and let it cook for 2 hours. While the beef roast is cooking in the oven, let's prepare the veggies. Peel and roughly chop some carrots, chop celery stalks as well, and use golden yukon potatoes. Chop everything into similar sizes to ensure even cooking. After 2 hours have passed, remove the pot from the oven and arrange all the veggies. I like to distribute them in different places for a nice presentation, but feel free to arrange them however you like. Return the pot to the oven for about 1.5 hours at 300 Fahrenheit. This allows the roast to cook to perfection while keeping the vegetables from overcooking. Now that your roast is ready, let's take it to the next level by making some delicious gravy with the juices released from our pot roast. First, carefully remove the roast and veggies from the pot, ensuring you leave only the flavorful liquid behind. Then prepare your thickening agent by mixing 1 tablespoon of cornstarch with 1 tablespoon of water and set it aside for now. Next, bring the juices to a boil and slowly pour in the cornstarch mixture while stirring constantly. This will thicken the juices into a rich and flavorful gravy to complement your pot roast perfectly. And now it's ready to enjoy. I have also prepared some delicious mashed potatoes to serve alongside. If you are interested in that recipe, let me know in the comments below and I'll be happy to share it with you. I hope you enjoyed this pot roast recipe. Remember, you can find all the ingredients listed in the description box below. Thanks for watching and I'll catch you in the next recipe.